Cleaning a driveway or a fence often means spending more time scrubbing than actually washing. You're essentially fighting against dried mud and grime with a tool that might not have the guts to move it. The Greenworks 3000 PSI brushless electric pressure washer is designed to stop that cycle by delivering 3000 PSI and 2.0 GPM for maximum cleaning power. You're likely standing over a stained patio or a dirty siding wall, wondering if you can reach the high spots without a ladder. This electric pressure washer uses JETTFLOW technology to deliver up to 50% more flow, which helps with reaching higher areas and quit power rinsing. It's a specific solution for the kind of person who wants to stop thinking about this category every spring. Every electric pressure washer faces a choice between compact size and raw force. This unit leans heavily into power by using a 14-amp TRUBRUSHLESS motor. This motor is what provides the 3000 PSI and 2.0 GPM needed for heavy-duty cleaning. When you use the included accessories, you get a rugged metal gun and a 25 feet UberFlex kink-resistant hose. That hose means you can move around your property without the constant struggle of a tangled line. You also get 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees tips, plus soap and turbo nozzles, which allows you to switch from wide rinsing to concentrated stripping of grime. The machine is also rated for a maximum inlet water temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. This limit means you shouldn't try to feed it hot water from a heater. So before you buy, the thing to check is the scale of your project. This is for the person who has already bought the cheap one twice and needs something that actually delivers the power it was promised. If you are trying to clean a massive commercial parking lot every single day, you might eventually outgrow a residential unit like this. But for most people, this is plenty. I look at the manufacturer's own bullets and see they emphasize the JETTFLOW technology and the independent lab verification for the PSI and GPM. They want you to know the power is real. However, they stay silent on the weight of the unit itself. Is it worth it? When you look at the construction, you see a rugged metal gun and specialized nozzles. You have to consider if you'd rather buy a cheap plastic unit every 2 seasons or invest in this once. The real question is not the initial cost, but the cost of replacing a flimsy tool repeatedly. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.